Alright, we said we were going to bring you a revolutionary video, and here it is. It starts out with this iMac computer. We got this here for developing our new products that are going to be coming out here 2014, and that is with the MakerBot Replicator desktop 3D printer. It is been waiting for me, and now it's time. Just take a look at it here. See just what we have. Now that is what I'm saying. All in the box, ready to go. That is just too cool. And there it is right here. Yeah. There's a nice foam. I like that. Let me set this down. It is. Yeah, been reading a lot about this. Prints at 100 microns. We had ordered with it the filament in black and some filament in white. Got a few of those we ordered. Excuse me. Yeah, we just cut these clips and remove the tensioner. It keeps the belt steady. We grease the up and down axis shaft. We had a few things to do for setup, but we'll get back to that here in a second. So stay tuned. There'll be some goodies coming. Alright, so we removed it from the box. Now we have it sitting on the bench. As you can see, it is very, very nice. Love the size of it. It's like, it's perfect. I can't. Move it around. It's easy to change position of it. I like this. This is gonna be fun. see what else is down here. Okay, this is the accessories box for the MakerBot. Here's the USB cord and the spool mount for the back of the robot there. And we have the feeder tube for the filament that later we'll show you how all that goes in. The printing surface, which is, as it goes inside there, we set that all up. And then we have these tear-offs here that they've showed in videos that they say it helps to release your product off of the print plate. We'll see about that. I'm right, this should be some clear filament somewhere around here. Let's see. Alright, a box into a box. This is the power supply for the desktop printer. We're getting that. As you can see the size of this MakerBot, it will be going in the bottom underneath. Eventually, who knows, maybe I'll get another one another. One down, two more to go. Okay, this felt like, yes, here's the MakerBot's supplied spool of translucent filament. 1 pound. Let's put that right here with the other spools of filament there. Some good stock up. Okay, that's that. All right. Pretty soon here we'll get online and get her running. Get cranking out some parts. All right. Stay tuned. And here we are with our first print. Well, we're back. As you can see, we have the build plate in. It's really easy to install. Push to the back, locks in the front. 3 points of adjustment for leveling the build plate. And then the insert, the feeder tube. The filament that we have in there right now is the black. It all just pops onto the back. USB to the main frame. 110 power supply. As you can see, we've already printed some product. These are out of the SD card that comes with the MakerBot Replicator 2. Yeah, right there. So I'm getting ready to print the stretchy bracelet. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, as I was saying, the stretchy bracelet is our next build. You can see the MakerBot Replicator 2 comes with 5 figures already loaded from Thingiverse. Those are really cool. Kids are loving it already. This is pretty much the rundown. So we can get this in there. Build from SD card. A little blurry, but that's what we're going to do. We are going to select, let's see, Stretchlet right there. Hit the M, and here we go. Takes about 3 minutes or so for the extruder to warm up. Yeah, it's real basic. You know, then you go online and you get the makerware, which will be here in the next upcoming video after we do the stretchlet. They call it that because it actually flexes. Yeah, really cool stuff. There's the M in it. Da dun da dun da dun da dun da da da. Magnitude of chain. Chain seems to be pretty cool, obviously. It's also the one I'm using right now from their presets that uses the less filament for actually testing out all this stuff. So, but we're done testing. We're gonna go for the bracelet, and we are at 225 out of 230 on the extruder temperature. Oh, green for go. Actually, that's just the color of the LED that we've chosen for the backdrop. It comes with a range of 5: pink, purple, orange, white, blue, or you can turn it off. Give me a second here. Alright, we'll be back. As you can see, takes a little time. Estimated build time on this bracelet is 22 minutes. We're at 18% right now, 5 minutes into the build. Stay tuned. %, 10 minutes in. We'll be back. Okay, right at 22 minutes at finish. You can see. Just like that. Extra material, recycle, and there you have it, a 3D stretchy bracelet. This is what my 6-year-old daughter Shelby, before going to school, asked me to make this morning. Daddy, I want a black one, please. I said, okay. It is just too cool. Yeah. Alright. Stay tuned for some more exciting prints. Alright. As you can see here, we're working on the Hoyfab Crawlers tool chest. It is approximately 4 inches in length, in height, excuse me. As you can see, we are 25% of the way. Sorry about the camera there. A lot of movement going on. So we can get it steadied out. Yeah, anyway. Stay tuned for some photos. Stuff like that. You can see we've already made a few The gas tanks, water tanks. And what scale shop is equipped without a coffee machine? Yep, all the way into the cups. Yeah, fun. So, stay tuned. We'll get back to you. As you can see, we are now 77%. Everything's coming along just dandy. Doing its thing, maker botting away. Yeah, cruising right along. 94%. Almost done. It's building in the bottom right now. Alright, stay tuned. Alright. As you can see, it's done. Now, flashing M. We are ready for the next print. Give it a few minutes to cool down. Remove the extra filament that is extruding from the extruder. As you can see, we have the model still on display. Now leave it on display because I get, you know, numerous people come in and, what are you making? What are you making? And I just point right here. So next will be a sign. It's on the screen or something now, I don't know. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. However you want it. The Hoyfab Crawlers can make it. Very well made. The handles, look at that. It's just like a rock. Alright, let's get to taking it off.